Hello friends, myself Desh Mugaje. So today's video topic is food wastage. Uh, Food wastage contributing of various adverse effects. In this easy, we will delve into the causes, consumptiveness, and potential solutions of the complex problem of food wastage. One of the primary causes of food wastage lies in the uh, insufficiency of the food supply chain. From farm to fork, food goes the series of stages, including cultivation and competition. At each stage, there is opportunities for loss and waste. For instance, cross out invoice due perishable goods may spoil or damage on the retail level. Supermarkets often discard items in the consumer behavior also plays a crucial role in food wastage. In developed countries, consumers often over purchase food, leading of excess food of whole schedules. This surplus frequently result from microns about the expiration dates, national standards, and unrealistic. Regarding the environmental and social impacts of food wastage, further exacerbates of the problem. In contrast of developing nations, food losses of more prevalent during the early stages of the supply chain due to the next consequences of food wastage are multiplied and extend environmentally wasted for contributes of the greenhouses gas employs realize methane and potent greenhouse gas. Moreover, the resources invested in producing, processing, and transporting the wasted food, such as water, energy, and land, and secondary. The loss of biodiversity and deprivation associated with agriculture further components of the environmental impact food wastage. Economically, the cost of food wastage staggering according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, the economic value of global food wastage is estimated to be around 1 trillion annually. They include different costs introduced by products, increase the pressure land and water resources. Additionally, the economic burden extends consumers who bear the cost of overpriced goods due to the efficiency in the supply chain. From a social perspective, food wastage, properly food being discarded, millions of people around the world suffer from manipulation and starvation, reducing by redirecting and surplus food those I need. Furthermore, the social impact extends ethical consideration as wasting food that could have nourishment and hungry phrases. Wastage requires a multi-factored approach that involves stakeholders and every level of the food supply chain. One crucial step on improving infrastructure and technology in developing countries in reduce losses during the cultivation and the facilities efficient transportation systems and a better packaging can help pressure perishable goods and minimize the losses. And the consumer level education and awareness toward food understanding the difference between expiration dates and actual food safety embracing in fact produce and adopting responsible shopping habits can contribute significantly to reducing ancillary food wastage. Additionally, programs can direct supplies food those in the business front supermarkets in a food wastage, such as dynamically pricing and encourage the sale of products nearing expiration and implementing policies and regulation that incentive supporting ingredients that address food wastage from farm to the table. In conclusion, food wastage is a complex and pervasive issue in the form implication from environmental degradation and economic losses in a social injection. The consumers of sequestering food in enhance individual business and governments worldwide by improving the efficiency of the food supply chain, changing consumer behaviors, and implementing sustainable and partners in the food. Food wastage is the most difficult problem in the world. Thank you so much.